Hello everyone, welcome to tutoringcluster.com. So in the last video, we have talked about the definition of matrix and different types of matrices. Now in this video, we are going to learn about algebra of matrix. So the first point in this is equality of matrix. Now let us say there are two matrices. First, matrix A and matrix B. Okay, matrices are shown with what? Capital letters. Now, when we can say these two matrices are equal, okay, what is the condition? The condition is when all the elements of A and all the elements of B are equal with same position, then we can say two matrices are equal. For example, suppose I am writing here matrix A. Suppose matrix A is 3, 2, 1, minus 1. Now, I am writing another matrix B as 3, 2, 1, minus 1. Now, if you observe, what is the rank of matrix A? What is the rank? Number of rows, there are 2 into number of columns. So there are 2 columns. What is the order of matrix B? 2 rows and 2 columns. So first condition is order should be same. Order should be same. Okay. Now what is the second condition? Now observe one thing. If you observe the elements, what are the elements of matrix A? 3, 2, 1, minus 1. What are the elements of matrix B? 3, 2, 1, minus 1. Now, what is the position of 3? If someone asks you, what is the position of element 3? So, element 3, it lies in first row and first column. So, A11, it is a position of element 3. If someone asks you, what is the position of minus 1? A22. Okay, what is the position of 2 in matrix A? A12. So always you have to write row first and then column. Okay. Now, if I am considering matrix B, what is the location of element 3? A11. What is the location of minus 1 in this? A22. What is the location of 2 here? A12. So the thing is, if you observe all the elements of A and all the elements of B, they are equal as well as they are at the same position. So that is the second condition. So all the elements should be same. What is the second condition? All the elements should be equal and at same position. If these two conditions are satisfied, then we can say matrix A is equal to matrix B. Okay, with this, hope equality of matrix is clear to everyone. Okay, कधी आपण दोन मॅट्रिक्स इक्वल आहेत असं म्हणणार जेव्हा त्यांची ऑर्डर सेम पाहिजे अँड सेकंड कंडिशन सगळे एलिमेंट्स it should be equal as well as it should be at same position, right? Okay, now let us see the next part. Next part is scalar multiplication. Okay, now suppose I am having matrix A as these are the elements A, B, C, D. Okay, suppose K is any scalar. Scalar means what? It can be any number. Okay, it can be any number. It can be a fraction or it can be a negative number or a positive number. Okay, so how I can write Ka? So it will be K into what is the matrix A? What are the elements? A, B, C, D. So now you can multiply this K with all the elements. With all elements. So you are going to get a new matrix, and that matrix will be K into A, second element K into B, third element K into C, next is K into D. Okay. For example, suppose matrix A is, let's say, 1, 1, 3, 2. Okay, and let's say this K is equal to 2. So what will be 2 into A? What will be 2 into A? So 2 into A, it will be, we have to multiply this 2 with all the elements. So 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 2, 4. So this will be 2A. Okay, that is the simple concept. Now certain rules are there which we have to remember. First is, see, M is any scalar, so M into A plus B is equal to MA plus MB. Next, M plus N, so M and N both are scalar. Suppose 2 plus 3, 5, so it will be 5 into A, or it will be M into A plus N into A. 0 into A, if 0 is the scalar, that means it will be a 0 matrix. It will be a 0 matrix, remember. Okay, if M into 0, if suppose this is a 0 matrix, it will be 0. Okay, and this is the fifth property. So this is our basic. So whatever rules are there of basic algebra, same can be applied to the matrix. Okay, right. Now, how to add and subtract two matrices? Okay, this is a very important concept, and you will get definitely one example on this topic. So I'm writing matrix A as, let's say matrix A 1, 2, minus 2, 4. Okay. Matrix B as 3, 3, 0, 1. Right. So if someone asks you, what will be 2A plus 3B? Find 2A plus 3B. Okay. See here. First, we have to calculate 2 into A. So 2 into 1, 2, minus 2, 4. So what will be 2A? Therefore, 2A it will be. So multiply these two with all the elements. So 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 2 into 4, 8. Right? This is number 1. Now, in second case, what will be 3B? Okay, we have to calculate 3B. So multiply this matrix B with 3. So what will be 3 into B? So 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3. This is number 2. So therefore, what will be 2A plus 3B? So what is 2A? 2, 4, minus 4, 8. Plus, what is 3B? 9, 9, 0, 3. So how you are going to add the two matrix? That is the key. Now observe here, you have to add these respective elements. So 2 plus 9. What is 2 plus 9? 11. What is a 2 plus 9? 11. 2 plus 9. Next, 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9. Next, minus 4 plus 0. Minus 4 plus 0. Next, 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. So we are adding respective elements only. So here 2, it is added with this 9. 4, it is added with this 9. Minus 4 is added with 0. 8, it is added with 3. Same with the subtraction. If here it is a minus, it will be a minus, and everywhere here it will be a minus. Okay. जे पण respective elements आहेत तेच add किंवा subtract करायचे आहेत. So what will be your answer here? What will be the final answer? 2 plus 9, 11. 9 plus 4, 13. This will be minus 4. 8 plus 3, 11. This is your answer. Okay, so this is how we have to add any two matrix. Same case with the subtraction, right? So I hope this thing is clear. Let us solve some examples based on this. Okay, so just now we have solved such type of example. So let us solve this quickly. So matrix A is given to you, matrix B is given to you. You have to calculate 2A minus 3. So what is first 2A? So calculate 2A. 2A is equal to 2 into what is A. So this is how you have to write systematically. Okay. Then calculate 2A. 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 2 into 1, 2. This is number as 1. What will be 3 into B? So 3 into what is B? 2 minus 1, 3, 2. It will be 3 into 2, 6. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 2, 6. This is number as 2. Now you calculate 2A minus 3B, which is equal to what is 2A? 10, 6 minus 2, 2. Okay, minus sign. What is 3B? 6 minus 3, 9, 6. So how we are going to subtract this? कसं subtract करणार बघा तुम्हाला जे रिस्पेक्टिव्ह एलिमेंट्स आहेत ते त्यांचे सबट्रॅक्शन करायचे. So 6 minus of minus 3, minus 2, minus 9, 2 minus 6. Okay, so let me write this. So first element will be 10 minus 6. Second, 6 minus of minus 3. Next, minus 2 minus 9. Next, 2 minus 6. Is it correct? So what is 10 minus 6? 4. 6 plus 9. Sorry, 6 plus 3. 9. Minus 2 minus 9. Minus 11. 2 minus 6. Minus 4. This is your answer. Okay, so we can write here final statement as 2A minus 3B, which is equal to 4, 9, minus 11, minus 4. This is your final answer. Okay, so this is how we have to solve this. Right? So example on matrices will be easy. Okay, please make sure you are not making any mistake while doing addition and subtraction. Okay, that care you have to take. Now let us see the second examples on this. Right. So this is the second time. So x, y, z, these are the matrices, and you have to prove that 3x plus y is equal to z. So let me take LHS. What is the LHS? 3x plus y. 3 into what is x matrix? 1, 2, minus 3, 4. Plus what is the y matrix? 4, 5, 1, minus 3. Is it correct? So let us multiply this 3 with all the elements. So what you are going to get? So 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into minus 3, minus 9, 3 into 4, 12, plus 4, 5, 1, minus. So this will be equal to, let us add this. So it will be 3 plus 4, 6 plus 5, minus 9 plus 1, 12, minus 3. It will be 3 plus 4, 7, 11, minus 8, 9. So this is same as matrix Z, which is nothing but your RHS. Hence we have proved the given. Okay, so very simple example, right? Just write all the steps properly. You are going to get full marks. Now let us see the example number 3. So find x if this matrix is given plus x is equal to b. Okay, for example, suppose there are two numbers, 3 plus x is equal to 9, and they have asked you 9. What they have asked you x. What will be x? 9 minus 3. So you have to subtract this. Similar to this, see, whatever algebra you do with numbers, same तुम्हाला कुठे apply करायचे, same you have to apply with matrix. Okay, So what you can do, you can take this matrix on the RHS side. So what will be X first matrix? 10 minus 1 0 minus 5 minus, if you are, see, this is a positive matrix, so if you are taking on the another side, it will be a negative, and it will be 4 5 minus 6 3. So how we are going to subtract? Same with addition. So it will be 10 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5, 0 minus of minus 3 minus 5 minus 6. 10 minus 4, 6. This will be minus 6. 0 plus 3 and minus 5 minus 6 minus 11. This is your answer. Right? Simple concept. Next. Okay. So this example, we are going to try for the homework. Okay, what you have to find out? You have to find out 2a plus 3b minus 4 into I. Okay, see here now. What is the order of A? 2 by 2. What is the order of B? 2 by 2. So I is what? Unit matrix or identity matrix. So that matrix should be of order 2 by 2 only. Then only you can add or subtract. Okay. So what is the basic rule of addition and subtraction? Order of the matrix, you can add only those matrix or you can subtract only those matrix whose order is same, right? So it will be 2 into what is A? 2 3 4 7 plus 3 into what is B? 1 3 4 6 minus 4 into what will be I? Identity matrix. We have seen the different types of matrix. So I will be 1 0 0 1. This is of order 2 by 2. Okay, so just do the addition and subtraction and get your answer. Right? Very simple. So hope we are getting all this example. Right? So this also example you can try as a homework part. Okay, calculate first 3a, calculate 4b, calculate 2c. For let us solve this. Okay, it is not going to take much time. Okay, so first is 3 into a. What is a? 2 minus 3, 3, 4. Plus 4 into what is b? 4, 5, 3 minus 2. Minus 2 into what is c? 3 minus 1, 0, 6. So 3 into 2, 6 minus 9, 9, 12. Plus. See, you have to multiply all the elements of this with 4. So 4 into 4, 16, 4 into 5, 20. This will be 12, this will be minus 8. Minus 2, 6 minus 2, 0, 12. Okay. So you can carry out addition subtraction directly. So 6 plus 16 minus 6. Next element. See what will be the next element? Observe here. Minus 9 plus 20 minus of minus 2. Okay. So minus 9 plus 20 minus of minus 2. Okay. Use systematically, give all the brackets. You will not make any mistake. Okay. The way I am writing, you are supposed to write like this. Last element 12 minus 8 minus 12. Okay. So after this, you can get your answer easily. Okay. So 6 and 6, it will get cancelled out. It will be a 16. This 12 and 12, it will get cancelled out. This element will be minus 8. This will be 21. And 20 plus 2, 22. 22 minus 9. It will be 11. Is it correct? See, 6 and minus 6, it will cancel out, it will be 16, right? Minus 9 plus 20, it will be 11, 11 plus 2, it will be 13, 9 plus 12, it will be 21, right? And it will be minus 8. Okay, yes, right. So this will be your final answer. Okay, what will be your final answer? 16, 13, 21, minus 8. Right? Okay. Okay. Now this is of order 3 by 3. So generally in exam you will get algebra of matrix related to 2 by 2 matrix only. But in case if it is asked for 3 by 3, you don't have to do anything new. मला काही वेगळं करायचं नाहीये. सेम जसे 2 by 2 matrix तुम्ही add किंवा subtract करत आलात, in the same fashion you have to add and subtract matrices of the order 3 by 3. बघा काय दिलेलं आहे तुम्हाला, 2a minus 3b minus d is equal to c. What you have to find out? You have to find out d. जर हा d मी इकडे नेऊ शकतो राईट हँड साइडला, सो 2a minus 3b which is equal to d. हा जो c आहे तुम्ही काय आहे लेफ्ट हँड साइडला. सो काय तुम्हाला बेसिकली फाइंड आउट करायचंय, 2a minus 3b minus c. ओके, 2a minus 3b and this is c. ओके, सेम परत जे रिस्पेक्टिव्ह एलिमेंट्स आहेत ते ऍड किंवा सबट्रॅक्ट करायचे. ओके, पोझिशन चेंज करायची नाही, राइट? So that is the example number 6. You can try. Okay, in case if you find any difficulty, you can ask me. So these are some examples for the practice. Please pause this video here. Please note down all the examples and try to find its answer. In case if you are finding any difficulty, you can reach out us. Definitely I will try to solve your difficulty. But first you try. In case still if you are not able to do it, you can definitely contact us. So this is it from my side for the algebra of matrix. Okay, so we have seen equality of matrix, we have seen scalar multiple of matrix, and third, addition and subtraction of the matrices. Now in the next lecture we are going to learn how to multiply any two matrix. So that part is going to be very important. Multiplication of matrices. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.